What if I told you the reason your fragrance isn't lasting as long as you want isn't the fragrance at all? It's how you're applying it. Stick around because in this video, I'm revealing the #1 rule to make sure your fragrances last all day without breaking the bank. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. Look, the #1 rule for fragrance longevity is simple, and that's to apply your fragrance to moisturized skin. And I know, it sounds basic, right? But hear me out. Dry skin doesn't hold fragrance well, and it tends to fade quicker than that left swipe on Tinder. But moisturized skin, it's like the VIP section for your fragrance. Plus, it locks in a scent, making it last up to 1.5 times longer. Here's a pro tip. Apply a well-hydrating lotion immediately after the shower. And then wait 5 to 10 minutes before applying your fragrance. This will help you make the perfect base. Moisturizing is literally a cheat code for keeping your fragrances around longer. Now, let's dive into why this actually works and how science backs it up. Research shows that hydrated skin retains scent molecules better because it creates this thicker barrier that allows the scent molecules to lock in. A study by Dermatology Research and Practice confirmed that well-hydrated skin slows down the evaporation process, therefore allowing the fragrance to last much longer. And get this, the Journal of Cosmetic Sciences said that skin with healthy moisture barriers allowed the fragrance molecules to absorb more deeply, helping the fragrance stay intact and last longer. In contrast, dry skin increases the evaporation rate, therefore making your fragrances disappear too quickly. This means moisturizing isn't just about keeping your skin smooth. No, it's so much more. This is also about keeping your fragrances on point all day. But that's not all. Studies have also showed that applying fragrances to dry skin can create altered fragrances and irritation over time. When your skin is irritated, it could also change the way the fragrance smells. So well-hydrated skin is not just about making your fragrance last longer, it's also about experiencing the fragrance the way it should be. And I know what you're thinking, yo B, how does this actually apply to me and my fragrances? Well, hang tight because I'm about to drop a game-changing tip that will make any fragrance last longer. Now, here's the game changer. In most instances, you're gonna layer your fragrance with the unscented lotion. But if you match your fragrance with the scented body butter or scented lotion, it makes all the world of difference. Studies show that pairing your fragrance with a lotion that matches its scent profile can make it last 2 to 3 times longer. That combo, it comes together to create this barrier that's almost like a sidekick that locks in that scent into your skin. And to me, that's like the ultimate longevity hack. Personally, I use Luxury Life body butters, and this isn't a sponsored video, but I just thought I would mention because they have a wide range of scented body butters that pair extremely well with some of the best-selling fragrances on the market. Or you could just use them on their own and still smell amazing. So to wrap this up, moisturized skin is your new best friend. It's basically like setting your fragrance up for success. And also, here's one more pro tip. When you apply your fragrance, don't rub it together. Keep it fresh and let it dry naturally. These small tweaks make all the difference. Drop your #1 rule for longevity down below, and if you're looking for some high performance fragrances, then click here to see 10 fragrances that last all day.